The genetic material is DNA. Experimentally proved by another scientist, Hershey and Chase. Hershey and Chase, by using bacteriophages, they proved that the DNA is the genetic material. They grew bacteriophages on radioactive substances. Some bacteriophages that are cultured on S35, radioactive substance, and some bacteriophages they cultured on P32, radioactive substance. Sulfur present in proteins but not in DNA. In the same way, phosphor that present in DNA but not in protein. Protein contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur bonds present in the protein. And in case of the DNA, bacteriophage is the genetic material of the DNA. In that, nitrogen base, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphor present. So, phosphor taken by DNA of the bacteriophages and radioactive sulfur that present in the protein coat. Now, bacteriophage, S35 incorporated to the protein coat only, and those bacteriophages which cultured on P32, DNA consists the radioactive phosphor, allowed them to attack bacteria. Phage DNA, protein code called ghost, by fine blending they are separated. Supernatant. Is radioactive. Non-radioactive. Supernatant. After spinning or after centrifugation, separate their DNA and the protein code. In case of the bacteriophages which attack S35 contain the protein code, attack the bacteria, DNA is not radioactive. But the bacteriophage which attack the bacterium and the bacteriophages is the P32 stain, DNAs, they consider P32, they are multiplied in the bacterium, they show radioactive substance, but the supernatant, in case of the bacteriophages that are obtained from the that are cultured in the S35, now show radioactive on the protein coat only, but those bacteriophages which are cultured on the P32 radioactive substance, the supernatant, no radioactive substance, but the bacterium, the DNA consists the radioactive substance, but in this bacterium, radioactive substance quite completely absent. So, this is the experiment carried out by Hershey and Chase. It was proved that genetic material is the DNA that replicate inside the host cell. So, scientists experimentally proved that the DNA is the genetic material by using bacteriophages, Hershey and Chase.